Hi everybody, hey, it's Bonnie Lee. I'm on the Riverside Mozart. I'm in the Waterside Restaurant. We're up above the water looking out. So come on in, it's breakfast time. Well, these guys would seat me, but I'm not eating yet. No, I'm here to show you this breakfast. Come on in. This is open seating for breakfast and for lunch, which means you can come on, you can pick window, you can have really nice large tables if you're a group, which is very nice. If you just kind of want to be by yourself, that's not a problem either. Great offers of water still, of course, and bubbling. Here we go. Now this is my favorite place. You think they'll notice if I open and sneak a bottle? Of course they won't, because anything on Riverside is possible. Here's your whole station for the wait staff. Now remember, this is a double wide, so your dining room is giant. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Now, everyone likes to see what the dining room looks like, but most people really like to see the food. So come on in here. This, like I said, is breakfast. It's a beautiful buffet. Everything you could possibly want. You've got your fishes, you've got your meats, all the little condiments that go with it, the cheeses. Oh my goodness, the brie is almost to die for. This gentleman over here cooks a mean egg in the morning, I gotta tell you. Thank you. And look at all the offerings. For our granddaughter Aria, we have got bacon, because she's a vegetarian, except bacon tastes so good she makes an exception. Here's all, oh, and I love the honey, drips right into here. Let's scoot on down. What am I? Oh, here's your healthy foods. I do stop here a lot. Oh God, the bread makes, my heart is pounding right now. The bread is so delicious. Got yogurts here. The cherry yogurt is nice and tart, exactly how I love it. Oh, there's another lovely gentleman who takes care of us. There's some fabulous breads too. I love them. And your fruits. And another whole station. This is, I'm only going to lift this up. This is a croissant French toast. Can you believe it? Croissant cut in half, made into French toast. That should be illegal. A whole nother station. And then here, we're back out into the dining room. So this dining room is open for breakfast and for lunch. Open seating with this beautiful buffet. Evening, you come in and they will set you compared to your party. If you're looking at wider romance or whatever. So, hey, have a super great day. I hope you get a great piece of bread like I'm going to grab in just a few minutes. See you later. Bye.